Yeah, welcome back. So we had sunny to mostly sunny skies made our way through the day today. Just a little bit of a change from the past couple of days because those clouds on the horizon are the beginning of a change in our weather pattern. That frontal boundary that's producing the clouds is going to take a little bit longer to get here. So we've got one more really hot day and then temperatures will start to go down with rain chances. Here's a look at our tower cam time lapse. As you can see, the clouds approaching the evening. That's basically it. We did stay mainly dry. High of 102 in North Platte and Broken Bow, 104 at Imperial and at Lexington, 101 at Valentine. And Ogallala actually had a little bit more humidity, so that actually kept their temperatures down at 97 degrees for a high. Current temperatures look like this. So we're down to 75 at Broken Bow, 78 at Valentine, Lexington, and Hyannis, mid 80s at Imperial and lower 80s at North Platte and at Lexington. With your winds still mainly from a southerly direction, they've dipped even more back to around 5 to 10 miles per hour in most places. So as for the dew points, still a little bit of humidity out there. It has been dropping through the evening. Most of us in that comfortable range, including the low to mid 50s at Ogallala, Imperial, and Lexington, but slightly humid now from North Platte up toward Broken Bow and Valentine with the low to mid 60s. As for the advisories tomorrow, so from Dawson County points off to the south, do have a heat advisory until 10 p.m. And then for Custer County and points off to the north, heat advisory until 7 p.m. tomorrow. And it looks like from North Platte, Lincoln County points off to the north and west, no advisory. So we are definitely going in the right direction in terms of having a little bit less heat. Now, as for the satellite loop, just a few passing clouds from North Platte. Partly to mostly cloudy skies down toward Imperial, but most of the moisture right now is well off to our west into the panhandle, just some showers and some rumbles of thunder. And we'll start to lose those as we lose the daytime heating. You can see the frontal boundary now stretched over the panhandle. We're still in that extremely hot air and a little bit of humidity too. High pressure off to our south and east, pumping in moisture from the Gulf of Mexico and a little bit from that monsoon low into the desert southwest. Now, we're going to continue this pattern at least for one more day with the very warm to hot air, that storm track missing us off to the north and to the west, and the cooler air in the northeast and the northwestern United States. Now, as for the skycast, we'll keep some cloud cover overnight, but that'll just serve to keep the temperatures up a little. So lows could be in the lower 70s, mostly sunny skies tomorrow. High temperatures reaching up to near 99 degrees, and then we'll have an increase in the clouds. Best chance of moisture tomorrow night will be into Cherry County up toward Valentine. Most everybody else staying dry. Starting off your Friday near 70 just after daybreak. Now for Friday, that frontal boundary finally gets here. Highs in the low to mid 80s with, by the afternoon, clouds and some showers and thunderstorms that could last into the evening with heavy rain. As of right now, no severe risk, but it looks like we'll finally get our moisture chance that will cool us down. Here's that cold front making its way through, setting up over us, more clouds over it, and we do have that flow mainly from a northerly direction, but this cool air mass doesn't last very long because we're right back to high pressure working its way in as we start next week. So the warm air is going to move off to the east. We're going to have that jet stream be over us, pump in some cool air, and as the jet stream is over us, that's the storm track, so it will give us more chances for some moisture. At 99 tomorrow, staying dry, but a good chance of some showers and storms Friday afternoon, evening. We'll keep that chance into Saturday as temperatures fall from the mid-80s to lower 70s, upper 70s on Sunday, maybe some remnant moisture. Then it's right back up there, rising through the 80s to lower 90s. With sunshine, we stay dry Monday through Wednesday of next week. Kent?
So tomorrow we could get to 100, but after that, they'll be gone for a while, it looks like.
Yeah, we'll see. Well, it could be a little bit more humidity. That'll keep us into the 90s tomorrow, but then a lot cooler.
All right. Thanks so much, Justin. The nation's heartland, as we all know, is gripped by intense August heat. Temperatures today expected to be up to 20 degrees above average in some areas, which